How to solve Facebook download problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to solve Facebook download problem on Android phone. First go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then apps again, and here you need to find Facebook and click on it. Now just go to permissions and scroll down. Here you will find storage. You will find it like that. All you need to do, just click on it and click allow, and now just go back, clear cache and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.